Hello everyone. Am I audible to everyone? Hello everyone. Good evening Gopika. Hey Balaji. Hey Shamugam. Hey Pavitra. Hello everyone. Yes, I don't know Tamil. I know only English. Thank you so much Satish. Hello. Hey Renuga. Hey Eminil. Hey Mohan. Hey Pandit Raju. Hello everyone. Good evening. Guys, I don't know Tamil. I know only English and Hindi. Guys, I don't know Tamil, I know English and Hindi. So we will communicate in English only. Guys, we will communicate in English only. Am I audible to everyone? Am I visible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone? Am I visible to everyone? Kindly let me know. Am I audible to everyone? Am I visible to everyone? Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Hello, Claire. You carry on. Okay. I am audible and visible. Okay. Students, I will speak in English in a very little manner so that you can just understand me and you can understand the whole session. Right? Okay. We will start this session. We are going to start this session very soon. Good evening, everyone. Hello, everyone. I don't know Tamil. I know English only. Okay. Let's start this session, guys. Yes, only 15 days are there. I am here to help you out. I am here to help you out. I will speak in English only. I will totally speak in English. Okay, let's start. Whenever the problem occurs, just comment me. Whenever the problem occurs, just comment me. Okay. Just have a look over the PPT, students. It's a 6 September Sunday Express Marathon class on our Guidely channel. Just subscribe the channel, Guidely channel. There is a marathon class, Express Marathon class. Yes, I will be going to take basics also. Let's start the session, students, because we don't have much time. We have only 1 hour and we have to cover the whole pattern of IBPS PO upcoming exam. I have to cover the whole pattern of IBPS PO upcoming exam, and let's start the session. First of all, just note down there will be a marathon class on 6th of September. My class will be from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. It is a special batch for IBPS, RRB, SO, PO and clerk for pre and mains. The channel name is Guidely. You can just Google it or you can just YouTube it and you can subscribe the channel. There will be a class on 6 September, that is marathon class. If you want to purchase something on Guidely, if you want to purchase something on Guidely channel, you can just apply my code APAR20 and you will get the 20% extra discount. And you will get the 20% extra discount. Okay, let's start with the class, students. Let's start with the class. Let me hide my face so that you will be able to see the whole PPT. The class will be conducted in English only. Okay, students, let's start. First of all, let's discuss the pattern of IBPS POSO. Let's start the pattern of IBPS PO English section. Let's start the discussion without wasting any time. Number one, we will have errors, 4 to 5 errors. Then we will have one close test. Then we will have one passage. Then we will have one passage. Next, fourth thing, we will have connectors and we will discuss everything here only. We will have matching in the exam. Okay. We will have fill in the blanks. It is related to two types. Number one, vocabulary based, and number two, grammar based. Number one, vocabulary based, and number two, grammar based. Okay, students, these everything we will be going to discuss in the today class only. Yes, I will be covering IBPS prelims only. There are many topics. Yes, there are many topics, and I will tell you the whole strategy how to crack English section in just 15 days. Strategy to crack English section in just 15 days. Yes, my dear students, just watch the sessions from starting to ending point. Watch the session from starting to ending point. First of all, just note down the most important points, the most important topics of grammar, the most important topics of grammar. Number one, subject verb agreement. It is a very important topic in bank exam. Subject verb agreement. The most important topic, number second, reading pattern. You have to know the reading pattern of the errors. Number third, conjunction. There are very few rules of conjunction and that are very important for the bank exam. These are the topics which are very important. Just note down the topics side by side. Just note down the topics side by side. Number one topic, subject verb agreement topic, very important. Then reading pattern, you have to know the what is the reading pattern of the error. Conjunction topic is very important. Next is words followed by preposition. Words followed by preposition. By preposition. Next topic will be words followed by preposition. Next topic will be some rules of adjective. Some rules of adjective. For example, where to use superlative degree, and where to use comparative degree. You should know the difference between a few, the few. This is the most important topics. Little, a little, the little. These are very important topics to crack the IBPS clerk and IBPS PO. Just note down the topic, students. Number one, subject verb agreement. Number second, conjunction. Number third, words followed by preposition. Number fourth, some rules of adjective. Number fifth, a few, the few, little, a little, the little. Just note down the topic side by side as I am writing. These are the very important topics for IBPS PO upcoming exam. Next topic is, just note down the topic as I am writing. The next topic is identification of active to passive. Only identification of active and passive. That which sentence should be in active and which sentence should be in passive. Next topic is important. The topic is conditional sentences. Conditional sentences. These few topics are very important. You should note down these topics. Identification of active passive, conditional sentences, some rules of adjective, few, a few, the case. Next, most important topic, subject verb agreement, conjunction and words followed by preposition. Now let's start with the error. I will tell you even a single word. First of all, strategy to solve the error. Strategy to solve the error. You have to check even a single word. You have to check even a single word. Yes, my dear students, you have to check even a single word. First of all, check the sentence tense of the sentence. First of all, check the tense of the sentence. First of all, check the tense of the sentence. The tense is, you can see, here did, here had, right? It means sentence is in past. Sentence is in past. Here it is written have. You can have this now, you can check this. The two verbs are in past. Two verbs are in past, and you can see this have verb is in present. The sentence is talking about past activity. The sentence is talking about past activity. The sentence is like that. I did not like going to night school, but I had no alternative as I have to work in daytime. I did not like going to night school, but I had no alternative as I have to work in daytime. First of all, you can just check out the tense of the sentence. The tense of the sentence is past. How can you check? Did is in past. We all know did plus verb ki first form. Did plus like. It means you can see here did plus like. Correct. Okay. Like always take gerund with it. Gerund is verb first form plus ing. Like always take gerund with it. You can see, students, like taking gerund verb with it. It means it is also right. When we go somewhere, we always use to with go. We always use to with go. It means to is also correct here. But, lekin, I had no alternative. We can use no singular noun. plus plural noun also. We can use singular noun also with no and plural noun also with no. It means here no alternative is also correct. Here no alternative is also correct. You can see two verbs are in past, but here have is in present. To verb is in past and have is in present. The whole sentence should be in past. The whole sentence should be in past. Because they are talking about the past activity. Because two parts are given in past. The third part should also be in past. It means the error is in C part. Sorry, D part. It means the error is in D part. Just note down the rules, my dear students. The rules are like that. Very, very important rules. The rules are like that. Like always take gerund. Would like always take infinite. Note down the rule, very important rule. Would like show the expressions. These are the very important rules. The next rule is no plus we can use either singular noun or plural noun. Both are correct. We can use either singular noun or plural noun. Both are correct. No alternative is also correct. No alternatives is also correct. Note down the rules side by side. You got the rule, dear students? Yes, you got the rule. When two sentence is in past, then the third sentence should also be in past. When two sentences are in the same tense, then third should also be in the same tense. In same tense. Third should also be in the same tense. You got this point? Okay. Yes, for all the no sentences, we can apply this rule. I am giving you one error, just solve out. I am giving you one error, just solve out. The sentence is, I would love inviting or to invite you. Which one is correct? Just comment. Just comment your answer, students. This is an error for you. I would love inviting you or I would love to invite you. Just tell me the answer quickly. Explain would like once more, ma'am. I would love to invite. To invite. Very good. I would love to invite. To invite. Very good. If the sentence is I love, then which will be the answer? Inviting or to invite? Tell me quickly. What will be the answer? I love inviting or to invite you. Which will be the answer? Next question. Solve the next question. This one. Solve the second question. I would love inviting or to invite you. I love inviting you or I love to invite you. I love inviting you. Very good. The answer will be I love inviting you. Yes. Just note down the rules, students. The rule is if single like is there, then we will use gerund. If it is in would like, then we will use infinite. This will be the rule. Note down the rule. Now tell me the next question. The error, next error. I have no rupee or rupees left. I have no rupee or rupees left. Which will be the correct answer? I have no rupees or no rupee left. Which will be the correct answer? Tell me. I have no rupees or I have no rupee. Which will be the answer? Rupee or rupees? Or both? Everyone is wrong. Everyone is wrong. Only two or three students are right. I have just given the rule, the most important rule. The rule is we can use singular noun also and we can use plural noun also. We can use both. It means the answer can be no rupee or no rupees. Both are correct. It can be no rupees or it can be no rupee. Just note down the rule. Very, very important rule. Very, very important rule. Both will be the answer. Very good. Both will be the answer. दोनों सही हैं. Can we have the next question? Okay. Just check out the next question. A very important question. It is a question of conjunction. It is a question of conjunction. Tell me the answer. Question is, hardly I stepped out of my house when I saw some policemen coming towards my house. Hardly I stepped out of my house, I saw some policemen coming towards my house. Tell me the answer. Hardly when is already used here. You all are incorrect. You all are giving the wrong answer. You all are giving the wrong answer. First of all, just check out each and every word. Some plus plural countable noun. It means some policeman. Here an we will use en. We will use what? We will use en. Just note down the rule. Some plus plural countable noun. Some plus plural countable noun. Next rule is To and towards can be the same thing. Either we can use to or we can use towards. Both are the same thing. Note down the first rule of this error. Some plus plural countable noun. The most important rule, note down, it is the very important rule. The rule is when in the starting of a sentence, just note down the rule. If in starting there is hardly, no sooner, not, never, only, scarcely, barely, these are the negative adverbs. These are the negative adverbs. When in the beginning of the sentence, when in the beginning of the sentence, these words arise, we always use inversion rule. We always use inversion rule. We always use inversion rule. And what is inversion rule? Very important rule, helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. Whenever these kinds of negative adverb arises in the beginning of the sentence, we always use inversion rule. Write down the rule. Rule is helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. Note down the rule, students. Helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. Helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. Okay, now check the question. Check out the question. Hardly is used in the starting one. We have to use the helping verb, then the subject, then the main verb. What we will do? We will do just break the stabbed into did plus stab. Into did plus stab. The answer will be hardly did I stab. This will be the answer. And keep remember this thing, hardly always take when with it. Hardly always take when with it. Yes, hardly did I stab. This rule is applicable in this sentence. You can just check out the rule. Whenever there will be hardly, no sooner, not, never, only, scarcely, these kinds of words arises in the beginning of the sentence, we always use inversion rule. Now, I am giving you one error. Just tell me the error. Okay, I am giving you one error. Only I solved the problem. Just comment the answer. This is an error for you. Comment the answer. We are discussing IBPS PO 2019 question paper. You know this thing. Comment the answer quickly. What can be the answer? Not hardly I had stabbed. It's hardly had I stabbed. The helping verb will be in the starting. Comment the answer. Quickly, quickly, quickly. I am going to teach you many things today. This is the error strategy. You have to just check out each and every word. Very good. Did I solve? Did I solve? Which rule we will apply? We will apply inversion rule. We will apply which rule? We will apply inversion rule. Why we will apply inversion rule? Because of only. Because of only. Have you got my point? Everyone have got the point? Did I solve? Not solved. Did always take verb first form with it. Note down. Did always take verb first form. Verb first form. Have you got the point? Should I move ahead? Should I move ahead, dear students? We will let you know the daily timings. Got it? Okay. So as I have told you, conjunction topic is very, very, very important. Next question. Yes, this is the matching. This is the matching. This is the matching. This is the matching. We will first solve the conjunctors. Two sentences will be given to us. Two sentences will be given to us, and we have to join these two sentences through connectors. We have to join these two sentences through connectors. First of all, find out the meaning of the two sentences. Since means because. Nevertheless means in spite of. On the other hand is used for contrary point of view. By the comparison is used when we do comparison. When we do comparison, these are the connectors. We have to join the two sentences from the given words. I will give you the error also, students. By comparison, on the other hand, by comparison is to compare something. Now, just have a look on the question. I was not in a situation to step out of the house yesterday because of my headache. I attended the sales meeting at my office on the instructions of my senior management. Look, which type of sentences are used to connect because? Look, we are studying hard because we have an exam next month. We have an exam next month. We are studying hard because we have an exam next month. These types of sentences which shows the reason of one to another, we use because. In these types of sentences which shows one reason of the second sentence, we always use because. Okay. In spite of means nevertheless. You can use nevertheless to connect these two sentences because these two sentences are just telling the situation. In spite of having a headache, in spite of having a headache, I attended the sales meeting at my office. In spite of attending the headache, I attended the sales meeting at my office. The answer of this question will be nevertheless. What will be the answer? The answer will be nevertheless. Now, I am giving you one question. Just solve the question. I am giving you one question. Solve the question. The question is, I like coffee. My brother like tea. Which will be the correct conjunction or connector? Connector is equal to conjunction. Which will be the correct conjunction or connector to solve this type of question? Tell me. Tell me the answer of this two. Which connector will be used to join these sentences from these four connectors? Which connector will be used? Very good. Because these are showing contrary. What are they showing? They showing contrary. What are they showing? They showing contrary. Very good. Not by comparison. On the other hand, we will use. One more thing, students, I will be going to tell you the vocabulary tricks also in this session only. I am going to tell you the vocabulary trick in this session only. We can use on the other hand or we can use but also. We can use both. We can use on the other hand or we can use but also. Both can be the correct. Can I give you the another sentence also? Wait a second. I am giving you the another sentence. I do not like coffee. I do not like tea. Which can be the answer from these four connectors to join these two statements? Tell me quickly. What can be the answer from the given connectors? Good evening. What can be the answer from the given connectors? I don't know Tamil. I know only English. No, the answer is not given in the connector. It is none of the above. The answer will be and. I don't like coffee and tea. The connector will be and it is not given in the four of them. The answer will be none of the above. Don't cram English. The answer is and. The answer, no, there will be no nevertheless. The answer will be and. Yes, the answer will be none of the above. We can join these two sentences from and only. We can join these two sentences from and only. These are just in favor of each other. I don't like tea and coffee. I am giving you the next statement, students. Tell me the answer of the next statement. I don't like you. I like your brother. Your sister. Which will be the right answer from these of the connectors? Tell me. Which will be the right answer? Yes, this is my first class. Where to use rather than? Okay, I will tell you the use of rather than. But, very good. The answer will be but. Let me tell you the example of rather than also. The example of rather than. I like, I prefer tea. I prefer tea rather than coffee. I prefer tea rather than coffee. Note down one rule. We always use prefer with to, or we can also use rather than with prefer. These are the high level rules. We can use both. We can use to with prefer, or we can use rather than. This is the example of rather than. Someone was asking in the comment, what can be the example of rather than? You got the point. Should I go ahead to the next question? To coffee is also good and rather than is also good. Here than is used for rather. Er. Than is used for rather. Should I move ahead to the next question? No. Oh. Yes. Bhavani, is it? It is right. Someone is asking the answer of the question of by comparison. Okay, let me give you an example of by comparison also. Wait. I am giving you the example of by comparison. Someone is asking. Today's class is today's class is good by comparison. Today's class is good by comparison. This can be the answer of by comparison. I mean, yesterday class was not good. Today class was good by comparison. Today class was good by comparison. This can be the example of by comparison. Can we use on the other hand in the previous question? Which question, dear? The question is, which question you are talking about? I prefer tea in spite of coffee. Yes, you can use. Nevertheless means in spite of. In spite of. Now, next question. Very, very easy question. Just tell me the answer quickly. I was very tired and exhausted. After spending the whole day at the hospital, I went to sleep without having dinner. Tell me the answer. So, in fact, especially and. Tell me the answer of the question. Yes, we can use Pavitra in spite of also. But two will be the most appropriate answer. Tell me the answer of this question, then we will move ahead for the next question. Very good, students. So is telling the reason or cause of one sentence. So can be used. Yes, you are very, very right. We can use so. Should we move ahead for the next question? Yes. Very important question. Very important question. He looked dash for his calculator but could not find it. A by. These are the options. These are the options. Tell me the answer. This is the error of phrasal verb. What is phrasal verb? Phrasal verb. Phrasal verb is verb plus preposition. Verb plus preposition. Tell me the answer quickly. He looked dash for his calculator but could not find out. Tell me the answer quickly. What can be the answer of the same question? Okay, I am telling you each and every meaning of the phrasal verb. Just note down. Look out. It means to warn someone. To warn someone. Out is not the correct answer. Okay. Look up. Try to find a particular information. An information. Trying to find an information. Trying to find an information. He is not finding an information. Up is also incorrect. Look on. Look on. It means watch without getting involved. Watch without getting involved. Without getting involved. On is also incorrect. The two statements are the answer by or around. Look around. Look around means to walk around a room to find something. To walk around a room to find something. And he is finding what? He is finding his calculator. So the answer of this question is around. The answer of this question is around. I am giving you the next statement. Tell me the answer of the next statement. The next statement is I looked dash my sister to be careful from the strangers. To be careful from the strangers. 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 You getting my voice? Hello everyone, you getting my voice? No, session is not over till. You getting my voice, everyone? Okay, sorry, there was some internet connection problem. I am going to tell you one important trick of the vocabulary part. Just don't cram the vocabulary, just learn the vocabulary through the root tricks only. Let me tell you one thing. Prefix, suffix. For example, there is a word accommodate. It is prefix, it is suffix, and it is root word. Learn vocabulary through tricks. Learn vocabulary through tricks. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, very good. We were looking around for your voice. Sanguthla, very good. Right. Uh, Prefix and this is suffix. For example, the word is aversion. This is prefix which is used in the starting. This is suffix which is used in the last. And this is a root word. We will learn the vocabulary through the root words only. For example, let me give you one example. CON. It means towards. Either physically or mentally. Now you can just check out the example. Connect. Connect means to join, means you are coming towards someone. Next is conversation. CON, con. Root word, prefix. Note down the meaning of CON, con. Wherever the con arises in given word, it means towards physically or mentally. Yes, concentration means you are towards reading part. Very good. Next is conversation. Whenever you do conversation with someone, it means you are towards with that person. Yes, this is, for example, congregate. 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 Con means towards. It means gather. Congregate means gather. Con means towards. When some persons gather, it means they are towards each other. Whenever the word start from con arises in front of you, it means similar to the towards or physically or it can be mentally. Just note down the words. Congratulations. It means you are towards someone. You are towards his happiness. Cooperate. Cooperate. It means you are helping someone. You are towards someone. Cooperate. You are helping someone. It means you are towards someone. Pathabanam, there are some exceptional in English also. Yes, Congress. Congress is a party. 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 In a party, many people come together. Congress is a party and con means towards. Many people come together. Many people come together. It is a party. Congress is a party. Many people come together. Buffering is from your side, Rohit, not from my side now. My internet connection is very, very good. It's from your side. Just check your internet connection. I am giving you the next root word. Just note down the next root word of the vocabulary. Yes, console. You are consoling someone, na? It means you are towards someone. Rohit, I am sure that from my side internet is okay. Let me give you another root word. Let me give you another root word. First root word I have just told you con, and our next root word is pan. Pan. Pan means all. Pan means all. For example, pan card. Pandemic. Corona is going on. It is a pandemic. All. Panacea means medicine of all things. Medicine of everything. Right? Panacea. Pan means all. Pancake. You can say pandemic. Bilkul, bilkul. Yes, yes. You can say pandemic. Pandemic means all. There are many root words, Deepak. There are panic. There are many root words. Penalized. Yes, you can say. There are many root words, and in English they are exceptional also. The next root word is, I don't know Tamil, only speak English. It's clear now, it working, thanks. The next word, root word is side. The next root word is bell or belly. Bell or belly. For example, meaning of these are fight, resistance. For example, you can just check out rebellious. It is related to war. Bellicose. It is a resistance. Belly. Just note down the root word, students. These are the root words. Belligerent. Yes. This is how you have to just find out the root words and just learn the vocabulary. I have just given you the errors, how to solve the error. I have just told you how to solve the connectors. I have just told you how to solve that vocabulary. And this is the close test. This is the close test, the last session. The last part of today's session, this is the close test. You can also join my Telegram channel, English Guidely by Aparna Agarwal. You can ask your error from there only. You can join the channel English Guidely by Aparna Agarwal. Telegram channel. Telegram channel. Guidely English by Aparna Agarwal. You can join this channel for your different queries. Matching, ma'am. Sure. First of all, I will just tell you the close test. For example, hundreds of plants and animals are dash every day due to deforestation and urbanization. Hundreds of plants are dash every day due to deforestation and urbanization. It means many plants are dying. It is giving the negative sense. Check out the option. Killing, are plus verb third form can be used because the sentence will be in passive. Plants and animals are killed by someone. Killing is not an option. Alive is also not an option. Bore is also not. The answer will be lost. Hundreds of plants and animals. Deforestation means cutting off plants. Deforestation means cutting off plants. Left will not be the answer. The answer will be lost. Deforestation means cutting the answer. Deforestation means cutting the trees. Lost will be the answer. Now, what might happen if this continue in the future? The last mass extinction of plants and animal species occurred 65 million years ago with the dinosaur. In all five mass extinctions have occurred, scientist dash, scientist dash, scientist. There will be some verb. Speak, scientist will not speak to someone. Scientist is not telling someone. Estimation is not a verb. It is not a verb. It is a noun. And we need verb. We require verb. Believe will be the answer. Scientist believe. Very good. Next is the word as it is now is created including people who are responsible for earth. They are responsible for destroying the earth. Right? They are responsible for destroying the earth. They are responsible, not the shape of the earth, not the development, not the warmth, not the detrition. Detrition means to make worse. To make worse. The answer will be detrition. Yes. Last question of this. Pesticide, contaminated water, overhunting of animals and plants, air pollution, illegal fishing, and clearing of land are direct results of urbanization and deforestation. People have. People have something means and damaged is negative word. We will use negative over here also because when and is used, both the words should be similar. The answer of this is not created, not produced, not made, not brought. Answer will be altered. Altered. The meaning of altered is changed. The meaning of altered is changed. The answer of this question is changed. That's all about the today's session, my dear students. I have just told you the strategy. What you have to do? You have to just read all the you have just read all the rules of conjunction, subject verb agreement. You have to just check out each and every word of subject verb agreement. You have to just check out each and every word of errors. You have to just check out the close test, how the close test can be done. You have to check out each and everything, students, and we will be going to discuss our all these sessions very soon. I'm going to take the classes of all the sessions very soon. Don't worry. I will take the classes of all the sessions very soon. This was all about the session. We will be going to meet very soon in the next session. Is- uh, Before that, you have to just prepare for the IBPS PO. The exam is coming very, very soon. You can also join my Telegram channel. The Telegram channel is English Guidely by Aparna Agarwal. You can just check out and you can just join that channel also. We will meet very soon. Till then, keep safe, be healthy, be safe. We will meet very soon.